Tiffany's up here waiting for her morning coffee. You getting some coffee, baby? All right, good morning, everybody. It is Disembarkation Day. That bittersweet day where you don't want to get off the cruise ship, but at the same time,
you're ready to go home.
You're ready to go home. So, how was your cruise this week?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Are you ready to go home?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing about cruising. You don't want to go back, but at the same time, you're starting to think about your bed and the comforts of your home and
your puppies
and all that kind of good stuff. But unfortunately, it does lead to the inevitable, horrible, awful question that seems to come every single day when you're not on a cruise. What do you want for dinner? And what's your response? I don't know. What do you want for dinner? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Back to the real world. All right, so we are in Group 2 to disembark today. We should be disembarking around 7:30, which is pretty good. My understanding is that the bridge, and there's only one big one, leading out of Galveston is closed down to one lane because they found a crack in the bridge. So we may have some traffic getting out of here, but it's not a huge bridge, and it is Sunday morning, so hopefully that will make a huge difference. We'll still be able to get out of here pretty quick. But it's about, 6:50 now. So we should be getting off the ship here in the next 30 minutes or so, 40 minutes or so. And then we'll start. And then we're going to start heading home. Alrighty, it is time to leave the room. Y'all ready to go?
Yes.
One last look at our cabin here real quickly. One last look. Everything's packed up. Ignore the dishes there. They haven't cleaned the room yet. Say goodbye to our towel animal friends. And it is time to go. Getting out the door with the luggage is always the funnest part. My luggage weighs more now than it did when we got on the ship. I think Tiffany's been putting stuff in my luggage. Have all of her goodies and souvenirs and 18 bottles of water she didn't finish drinking. All right, so we have officially disembarked. Took about an hour and a half to get off of the ship and actually to our vehicle. Customs was the super easy part. Disembarkation would have been easier if people, of course, would follow any of the instructions. But they naturally tried to crowd, rush, push, shove. I mean, to the point where there was actually where we thought it was going to come to a physical altercation of people in line. I mean, they were yelling, screaming, threatening. It was getting bad all over. You know, people start to line up to disembark the ship.
And then, you know, other people come out and they just want to stand right there by the door. They don't want to get in the line. They try to cut in front of everybody, and it got heated this morning. It really, really did. Thought it was going to come to blows there. It did not, but it acted like it was going to there for a minute. But we are officially off of the ship. We are headed home. So I want to thank everybody that's followed along with us this week on our sailing on board Liberty of the Seas. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like always, if you did, hit that thumbs up button for us. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas next time.